Hi everyone, it's Miss Kalia and I am the teen librarian here at the Matson Area Public Library District. Welcome to Snack Quest, where every month we visit a different country and taste the snacks from that country. So we have our box for this month. I think it's from France, and I have not seen what's inside this box. So let's take a look and see what snacks we'll be trying for this month's program. Ta-da! France! So, as you can see, we have our map. And then on the back, we have our voting chart, where you can vote to see what snacks you like and dislike and which ones you think are interesting. We also have a little booklet. And in the booklet, it tells us all about each snack, what's in it. So we have stickers, it's like a chip, and it looks like honey mustard. It has a picture of honey and a mustard jar. That's an interesting chip. I'm pretty hopeful when it comes to chips. It's really hard to mess up a bag of chips. Oh, we have another bag of chips. I think this might be garlic and something. So, it has a picture of a garlic, but I don't know what the sauce is, so it might be another one. Maybe sour cream? Goat cheese and chili pepper. Okay. Ooh, okay. It's a bagel. It's like a bagel bag. Let's see, it says spinach, cheese, and garlic. Almost lemon French shortbread cookies. These look good. I love anything with lemon flavor. So I'm excited. Ooh, truffle cookies. I've tried these before. These look pretty good. Sour cherry candy. They look like a hard version of Turkish Delights. I hope they don't taste like cough medicine, because I'm not a fan of cherry ever since, they make the cough drops that taste like cherry. Oh, bonbons. These are really good. So they added some cherry bonbons. Oh, strawberry bonbons. Okay, I like strawberry. I like strawberry better than cherry. We have these. Oh, it's the same company. So these are lemon, and then these are butter biscuits. So these look really good. I wonder if they'll taste better with milk. Okay, so similar to these, we have another one. They're called violet gummies. Did they put a flower flavor in this? I'm very curious. I can't read what this says, but we'll find out on Snack Quest. Oh, what are these? I see it says caramel, but it doesn't look like caramel. This does not look like caramel. I see it says veggie, so I'm assuming it means like it's vegetarian. This looks like toothpaste. Why does this look like toothpaste? I don't know what this is. Am I supposed to put this on a cracker? Oh, it's a chestnut spread. Okay, I guess I have to put these on crackers. I'll bring crackers. Just stuff with this. This is it looks like a raspberry roll. So, this one. So that's a mini raspberry roll. Oh, of course we have chocolate. Chocolate's really good. Then, of course, we have our big bag of candy. So in every one of these boxes, there's assorted candy, so I'm not sure what's in here yet. And last but not least, we have orange soda. I've tried this before. It's actually pretty good. I would probably add ice to it, though. So, that looks like everything that's in our box. And I am super excited to try these, especially these chips. These chips, I like salty stuff, so I'm excited to try these chips. So Snack Quest will be occurring on March 16th, which is a Saturday, and it will be from 1 to 2:30 for grades 7 through 12. We're gonna try these awesome snacks and see which ones are our favorites. I'm rooting for these chips. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.